how to have absolute magnetic attraction in the world and get the results that you want. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to have absolute positive magnetic attraction to many things, not just women. Get your fucking head out of the gutter, man. There are way more important things than getting a piece of ass, okay? You want to attract the correct things into your existence, number one. Number two, you don't want to be fucking around. We, as men, the most valuable thing we have is our time. If you are wasting your time and not using it productively, you are doing yourself one of the worst disservices you could ever do to yourself. Don't be that guy. Don't sit around and fuck off, man. If you take the time now to put in the work, you will see such insane results. Let's look at this real quick. A lot of men don't know this because a lot of fitness gurus will not tell you that when you are younger, like 30 and under, mostly when you're in your early 20s, that is the best time to build muscle. If you're 17, 18, that's even better because of your hormonal levels, because of the physiological, aspects of your body and your growth. If you put in the work in the gym, you will get fucking jacked quick, real quick. And a lot of guys won't tell you that. They want to feed you a bullshit fitness plan because they know you're going to get results. They know if you just put in a little bit of work, you're going to get some results. And young men are like, holy shit, I'm cut, man. But they fooled you, dude. So listen, just put in a little bit of work. And this goes so far into your journey, your nutrition, your fitness, your spirituality, and your passion in life. Just put a little bit of effort into one of those areas or more, and when you're younger, 30 and under, dude, I'm telling you, do not wait. The reason I know this is because I fucking waited. Dude, I waited forever. If you want to have absolute magnetic attraction, just baby step your way into spirituality. Take a step back and, like I'm going to show you, raise your consciousness. And the vibe you put out will attract, because you attract what you are, no matter what. Right now, at this very fucking moment, you are attracting what you are. You can control this. You can take a hold of that and actually make real results and progress in the world. That will make you happy. That will make you fucking be like, whoa, this is awesome. That's where you want to be. Happy, joyful, enlightened, okay? On that frequency of gratitude, knowing that you're so grateful you have the opportunity to do this. I'm so grateful that I can sit here and meditate and filter out my blocks, okay? I'm so grateful that I have this knowledge. That's where you want to be. If you are feeling sad, depressed, apathetic, angry, okay, you have no courage whatsoever. You're just stuck, stagnant. That's right here, man. Low vibration. Every human being lives by this chart, okay? This is the chart of consciousness. Up here is enlightenment, love, peace, joy, happiness. That's where you want to be and try to stay as much as possible. But you know what's actually tough? Is telling your mind that it's okay to be stagnant and sit here and fucking fuck off. That's tough. Going in the gym and doing your shit, sitting in the morning and meditating, or eating a fucking salad instead of that pizza, that's easy. That's easy. Don't trick yourself. People fool themselves. They fool themselves. That is your ego and your emotional being controlling you. Low vibration. If you want to be magnetic, absolutely magnetic, you have to take into account that at every second you are manifesting. But the power of this manifesting, it comes from your vibration and your frequency. If you are high vibe, if you are on a different frequency, a different fucking radio channel than most people, you're gonna get what you want in life. Haven't you seen those people who just effortlessly have an awesome life? Cool shit happens to them all the time. Okay, and when you're around them, I know how this feels. It kind of makes you feel guilty. It makes you feel shameful and like not enough. Okay, you feel just like shit when you're around those people. It's because you're in low vibration. That's where I was forever. Kick-ass people that I knew, man, that traveled the world, played in awesome bands, and did really cool shit with their lives. It made me feel like shit to be around them because it wasn't on my vibe. And I was not looking at it in the right way. If you're ever around those people and you start having those jealous thoughts, or like, you know, those thoughts take over where you're just like, that fucking person did this, they don't deserve this, they blah, blah, blah. Don't fucking do that. As soon as you feel those feelings, that energy, realize that this is where you are. And at that moment, to raise your vibe, all you have to do is stop. Become aware that that's what's happening, number one. Number two, feel grateful for them. Be happy for them. Then, what they have, the world is giving them, you will attract as well. You cannot be competitive. You must collaborate with the other humans of the world. Don't ever feel jealous. Don't ever feel apathetic. Life is ups and downs, man. I understand there's times. That's what life's all about. If we were just all high vibe all the time, life would suck. It would just... Like, I like life to be like a roller coaster. I love living in this human experience. But you have to be able to be aware of where you're at. Then you can change it. You don't just live in that bullshit. You're able to ride the wave and come back up. You see what I'm saying? You little stick figure, you, I always draw this. Your chakras, all 7 of them in your body are radiating frequency. And this frequency is a collective consciousness. Your consciousness is what is radiating. If you're down here, that's what you're radiating, man. And you know what? In turn, that's what you will get back. Okay? And this is not magnetic. To actually be that guy, you can't be on those low vibes. Nobody's attracted to that. Nobody truly is. If somebody's drawn to that energy, then that is where they've lived for a long time, and you do not want to be around those people. That is the path of destruction, dude. That's the path of destruction. People up here, they need nothing. They need nothing. They are not attracted to other people in that super hardcore drawing way. No. When you're up here, for instance, man, when I go out in public and I hang out, I notice people all the time trying to get my attention. People I don't know, people that I do know that I'm not paying attention to, they try so hard. They try so hard. They're drawn to it. They have no control over it. They just, And you know what? These people are not fuckos. Okay? The people that suck, that are toxic, they get it real quick, because if I'm not paying attention to them, they want it. They want my attention, but they go away quick. The people who are high vibe, it's like they have no control over it. They are just in my presence. They'll just stand there. I've told this story before, man. I've been sitting at the grocery store numerous times and had random people just come up to me, tap me on the shoulder, and have nothing to say to me but hi. And then they can't even look me in the eye. They just stand there. It's like they just want to be there and they have no idea why they're there. I know though that I know why they're there. I make conversation. I lead the conversation. Men and women. This happens often. This is what I want for you. This is magnetic attraction. People will just come to you. I have met clients this way. I have met girlfriends this way. It's fucking insane. But the trick to all of this is becoming aware. You can't just, oh, I'm low vibe, I'm gonna go here. No, you have to ride the wave. If you are stuck in a pit of shit and apathy and depression and sadness, you don't have to climb your way out of it. You just have to step back. The more you step back, the higher your vibe gets because you become aware. That's the trick of all this. Just become aware through meditation. This is how you cultivate the man. This is how you cultivate the God within that you are. If you want help with this, man, I have created a 10-day masculinity workshop. Link is in the description. Go check it out, man. Go check it out. I made this specifically so that men don't have to be where I was, man. I wish I had this when I was in my 20s. I would definitely have gone miles, way faster, way faster. If you like this kind of content, man, like the video, share it with your friend. I'll see you in the next one.